Okay, so basically, the footage might be kind of crummy, but I'm gonna have to trick this dog because it hates getting wet. And he's already been into the pool today, which is why he's here kind of shivering. Come here, Pup Pup. Come here, Pup Pup. Aw, puppy, come here. Alright, so I've got him in one hand. Whoa, puppy. He flips the fuck out. That wasn't as cool as I'd hoped it would be. Last time he swam over there and had to climb out off the far edge. He looked weird doing it. He's gonna go into hiding. Y'all good, puppy? Where'd you go? Puppy? Alright, whatever.